rebuke the storm, recompose, and rebuild. There's a phrase that is often repeated in the Bible, and it came to pass. We have to hold on to that. Every storm, every devastating situation will come to pass.
Jesus delivered me from the storm, set my feet on the rock. Jesus delivered me from the storm, and all I had to do was knock.
Our challenge is that the enemy often hits us when we are already exhausted. When the challenge comes, we are not often in a state to fight. In the midst of it, you may feel like you can't handle things. You can't fight it any longer. We have to stay strong in the storm. Be strong, be courageous. Do not be afraid nor dismayed, for the Lord your God is with you wherever you go.
Fear not, for I am with you. Fear not, for I am with you. Fear not, for I am with you, says the Lord. Fear not, for I am with you. Fear not, for I am with you. Fear not, for I am with you, says the Lord.
Be strengthened, obstinate, mighty. David encouraged himself, made himself strong in the Lord. Sometimes traveling through the storm with God puts a strength and an anointing in your life that could never come any other way. That is not the time to faint or give up, but continue to fight the fight of faith. Storms do come to everyone, and no one is exempt from some type of storm. We go through chaos and trouble, but that is where we truly learn that the Lord is my shepherd. Stay strong, stay steady. Even though things may be bad, the devil has a way of amplifying trouble in your mind. He will make you think that things are worse than they are. He knows that the storm cannot take you out, but fear can take you out.
Even when darkness tempts me to fear, your word, it lifts me. I know you're near. The works of your hands are faithful and just. My part is simply obey and trust.
That's why God says, "Fear not, for I am with you." When all hell breaks loose all around you, stay strong. You have the mind of Christ. The devil comes to steal and to kill and destroy, but I have come that you would have life and have it to the full. Be strong, be courageous, keep your eyes on Jesus. Hold fast to your confession of faith. He has equipped you to make it through the storm. Behold, He gives you power over the enemy and over everything that is happening in your life. We need to be vigilant because our enemy goes about as a roaring lion seeking whom he may devour. That means he can't devour everyone. We have an assignment that we need to fulfill. In front of every major move of God, there will be some sort of storm, a challenge to overcome. We are in a fight. You are able to fight this fight, and you are able to win.
I'm an overcomer because of Jesus, my Lord. I'm an overcomer with His word as my sword. I am an overcomer. Jesus paid for my sin. I'm an overcomer. I've been raised up with Him.
You are about to come into another realm of the Spirit as you stand strong in this storm. You may lose something on the outside, but you will gain something on the inside. You are the head and not the tail. It is only when tested in the storm that you prove your ability to stand strong. God has been putting stuff on the inside of you so that you can make it through this situation. He is with you. He will never leave you or forsake you. He is cheering you on, encouraging you that you have what it takes to get through. And where the enemy has stolen, he will have to repay. When you get through, you will have his grace, ability, and stamina to rebuild. The enemy will try and knock you out, but God has something for you on the other side of this challenge. So rebuke the storm, recompose, and rebuild.